Hello, in front of me I've got WG Airflex 5 earbuds. In this video I'll show you the buttons controls. Here we've got the right earbud and here we've got the left earbud. Double tap on the left earbud to play and pause the music. Double tap on the right earbud to answer and end the calls. And tap double to select standard mode without listening to music or phone calls. Now triple tap on the right earbud to select next song. Triple tap on the right earbud to decline the call, and when not in call or you're not listening to music, triple tap on the right earbud to activate voice assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.